Toyota diesel 1.4. What the models? It's Yaris, Auris, Corolla and else with the engine 1.4 diesel. What the year? From 2004 by 2008, sure, maybe little more. This not sure. With this, if it has ECU like this, you see, it's look like this with connectors like this. This one, two. This model of ECU is EDC 16. Maybe newest car has EDC 17. So it, for those will not fit what I will say. And what happens with the car? It's starting, no problem. It's driving, no problem. It's idle, not jumping, all okay. But when you drive, it's like someone hold it, like little jerking on the when you drive. And what happens? I just don't remember if it was some trouble code in the engine or not. But what I did, it was 3 years ago, I think. I just disconnect EGR. You see, one connector and this one, another one, two connectors, and car start drive perfect. Sure that you have check engine about the EGR, but it's not. It doesn't interfere to drive. It's no matter. It's driving, no problem. Power, no jerking, very good. And now I have the time that I need to disable this check engine because need to do year test. How it say, I don't remember how it calls in the UK. Yeah, test, no, early test. And I will remove the ECU and will refresh it with no EGR. But if you have situation like this, that car like jerking on the RPM, by the load, you put gas, it not drive, it not accelerate good. Try to disconnect. Maybe you need to close it. If it stay in the open case, maybe you need to put some washer to close it. But you see, in this model, you can unplug, disconnect it, and the car start drive much more better.